This is why you need to hit subscribe. Deliciousness awaits. Today, we're serving up some of the tastiest, easiest to make recipes you'll ever try. From savory dinners to sweet treats, we've got everything to satisfy your cravings. But don't just take our word for it. Join the Culinary Recipe Creations community and see for yourself. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our drool-worthy dishes. Like this video if you're hungry for more and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to share with your fellow foodies and hit the notification bell for your daily dose of deliciousness. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our foodie recipe tutorial. Let us know what you think in the comments below. We hope to see you back here very soon. Take care and see you in the next video.
Welcome to our culinary adventure. Today we're diving into 5 delectable recipes that will indulge your taste buds. We've got a global menu that'll have you feeling like a 5-star chef in no time. From a fiery Asian-inspired chicken stir-fry to a classic Italian pasta dish, a decadent chocolate lava cake, a light and refreshing asparagus side, and finishing with a taste of Japan. There's something for everyone. So, put on your aprons, sharpen your knives, and let's get cooking.
Listen up, you culinary cooks. We're starting strong with a honey garlic chicken stir-fry that'll blow your bloody mind. First, we need a cornstarch slurry. That's cornstarch, garlic powder, ginger powder, salt, and pepper, all in a bowl. Give it a whisk. Now toss your chicken in there, coat it properly. You want every piece ready for battle in that hot skillet. Get your oil smoking hot in the pan. We want that chicken golden brown and slightly crispy. Don't you dare crowd the pan. Cook in batches if you have to. Once it's browned, get it out of there and set it aside. Now crank up the heat and toss in those bell peppers and onions. We want them softened and slightly charred, not burnt to a crisp, you hear me? Once they're ready, add the garlic, just for a quick minute to release its aroma. Now bring back the chicken, it's time for its grand finale. Pour in that honey, soy sauce, and rice vinegar mixture. Let it bubble and thicken. Don't you dare serve this over soggy rice. Get it fluffy and perfect.
Next up, a classic Italian dish. But don't think for a minute that means it's easy. We're making creamy tomato basil pasta that'll transport you straight to Tuscany. First, cook your pasta al dente, you hear me? No one wants a mouthful of mush. While that's working its magic, heat your olive oil. Now, gently fry the garlic. We don't want it burnt, just fragrant. Add those crushed tomatoes, heavy cream, and Parmesan cheese. Let it simmer and thicken. Taste it. Is it bland? Season it properly for God's sake. Now, toss in that perfectly cooked pasta, coat it in the luscious sauce. Finally, stir in the chopped basil. There you have it, a pasta dish worthy of praise.
Now for a little indulgence. We're making chocolate lava cake, but I expect perfection. Preheat that oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cream together the butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy. Beat in the egg and vanilla. Don't overmix. In another bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Gradually add this to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Now, here comes the best part. Fold in those chocolate chips. Don't you dare skimp on the chocolate. Pour the batter into ramekins, filling them almost to the top. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Keep an eye on them. They should have a slight wobble in the center. Serve them immediately with vanilla ice cream for a truly decadent treat.
Now for a simple yet elegant side dish. Don't think for a minute that this lemon garlic roasted asparagus is an afterthought. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss those asparagus spears with olive oil, lemon zest, lemon juice, garlic, salt, and pepper. Make sure they're evenly coated. Spread them out on a baking sheet. Give them space to breathe. Roast for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how thick they are. You want them tender crisp, not soggy and sad.
Last but not least, we're diving into the delicate art of sushi making with these spicy tuna sushi rolls. Lay a sheet of nori shiny side down on your sushi mat. Spread a thin layer of sushi rice evenly over the nori, leaving a small space at the top. Now add a generous layer of spicy tuna salad. Add some perfectly ripe avocado slices. Now the moment of truth rolling. Use your thumbs to lift the edge of the mat closest to you and start rolling away from you, tucking the filling as you go. Keep it tight. Once you reach the end, wet the nori with a bit of water to seal it. Slice the roll into bite-sized pieces and serve with wasabi paste and soy sauce.
Well, there you have it. 5 incredible recipes that are sure to impress. Remember, cooking is about passion, precision, and a little bit of that Ramsay fire. Now get in the kitchen and show me what you've got. Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mouth-watering recipes. Happy cooking!
Curious about becoming a kitchen wizard? You're in the right spot. Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations. We're your go-to spot for mouth-watering recipes that'll make your taste buds dance. From quick snacks to gourmet dinners, we've got it all. New to cooking? No worries. Our step-by-step tutorials are perfect for beginners and seasoned chefs alike. Ready to level up your cooking game? Hit that subscribe button and join our foodie family. Like what you see? Give us a thumbs up, drop a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious update. Thanks so much for watching. We hope to see you soon. Bye for now and take care.